guys, welcome back to Just in STEM. Today we're going to be making lava lamps with glow sticks. What we're going to need is a mason jar, a measuring glass with a spoon, some Alka-Seltzer, and if you don't have Alka-Seltzer, you can also try pharmacy antacid tablets, Rolade, and Eno. But for today, I'm going to be using Alka-Seltzer. You're also going to need glow sticks of your choice, and preferably some food coloring that matches your glow stick. Last of all, you're going to need some vegetable oil. So let's get started. Now, let's take our mason jar and put it in front of us. First thing we're going to do is take our measuring cup and fill it up with 1 cup of vegetable oil. So let's go do that. Alright, now I have my vegetable oil and I'm just going to pour it in my mason jar. I'm going to make sure we got pretty much all of it, and we're going to tap it on the side. And we're going to take our water that I have over here, and we're going to fill it up to 1/3 cup. So I'm just going to take it over here, and I'm going to fill it up to 1/3 cup. That's about 1/3 cup. I'm going to put it down, grab my food coloring. Today's choice of color will be orange. And to make this, I will be using the yellow food coloring along with the red food coloring. To make orange, you just need to take 1 drop of red and 1 drop of yellow. We can close the caps. Oops. Close the caps. Take our spoon and just mix it until we have a good orange. We're going to pour it in there. And if you guys can notice, the water is going to sink while the oil floats. Let's talk about density. The oil floats on top of the water because it is less dense or lighter than the water. The food coloring has the same density as the water, so it sinks through the oil and mixes with water. The water and oil do not mix, and the oil doesn't change color because the food coloring is water soluble. When you add the tablet, it sinks to the bottom and then starts to dissolve. Next, we're going to take our scissors and cut the top of our glow sticks off. Oops. So, it might be a little difficult for you guys to cut open your glow sticks, but I recommend that you cut it on both sides so it can flow out evenly. So I'm just gonna keep dripping it out until, well, would you look at that? It's all gone. Let's repeat this process one more time because you're gonna need 2 of these glow sticks. So we have our second glow stick, and we're just going to drip, 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 drip. It all comes out. Until the final drops come out. We're going to take it and put it to the side. And also, before you crack open your glow sticks important side, make sure that you break it first so that it's a solid material that breaks into a liquid. Now for the exciting part. Let's open up our Alka-Seltzer. So this one packet will hold 2 tablets. So all we need is just one. So we have our Alka-Seltzer tablet, and let's put it in 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, eventually it's going to bubble up, and there we go. It's going to bubble up to the top, just like a lava lamp. And if you want to take this a step further, you can turn off the lights, and eventually it'll glow. So we have our Alka-Seltzer, and if you want to get a close-up on that, let's see what it looks like in the dark. So we have actually put a phone camera on top, or sorry, below the jar. So it's going to be bubbling like a lava lamp, and it's going to actually, there you go. Right on top, the bubble is going up. Now let's test it while it's actually going. What happens if we put the lid on? The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to make bubbles of carbon dioxide. The bubbles attach themselves to blobs of colored water and bring themselves to the top of the glass. When you close the lid, the carbon dioxide is unable to escape, therefore the flow of bubbles stop. I wonder what would have happened if we added more water. And I wonder what would happen if we were to put another Alka-Seltzer in. These are all small questions that you can ask yourself, and you can test around with this experiment. So it's basically doing double the amount of bubbles. This is so cool. I did not think this would turn out the way it did. Remember, don't be afraid to try out any new thing with this experiment. Do absolutely anything with this experiment because it's so simple. All you need to do, what if I add more of the glow sticks? What if I had different colors of the glow sticks? What would change in my experiment? Those are all the questions you can be asking yourself. So as you can see, this experiment can be very diverse. You can play around with it as much as you want. You can add in multiple Alka-Seltzer tablets, more glow sticks, or even more water. It all depends on what you decide. So don't be afraid to be creative. Comment down below what you did to change this reaction. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one.